You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial tips. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of banking and comparing two prominent institutions, HSBC USA and M&T Bank. This detailed comparison will help you determine which bank best aligns with your specific financial requirements. For convenient access, we've provided links to both banks in the description below. Let's explore their features, services, and ideal customer profiles. HSBC USA is a subsidiary of a major international banking powerhouse, boasting a vast global network. This makes it an exceptional choice for individuals who travel internationally frequently or need to send money overseas. HSBC's premier checking accounts provide attractive perks, including fee-free international money transfers, dedicated customer service, and access to a worldwide network of ATMs. For those requiring global banking access, HSBC's online and mobile banking platforms are sophisticated and user-friendly, ensuring convenient banking for clients around the globe. However, HSBC's physical presence within the United States is limited, concentrating primarily on coastal regions. This could be a drawback for customers who value in-person banking services. Furthermore, their accounts typically require higher minimum balances to waive monthly fees, potentially posing a challenge for individuals with smaller account balances. Alternatively, M&T Bank operates as a regional bank with a strong presence throughout the northeastern and mid-Atlantic United States. They are renowned for offering a comprehensive suite of personal and business banking services, with a particular emphasis on community-focused banking. M&T provides checking accounts without monthly fees, provided certain criteria are met, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposit. They also boast excellent customer service, and their mobile banking app receives high praise for its user-friendliness and convenience. M&T's fee schedule is more transparent compared to HSBC's, making it a compelling option for customers who prioritize clear pricing and lower fees. However, M&T doesn't offer the extensive international banking features that HSBC does, rendering it less suitable for individuals with global banking needs. To summarize, if international banking services and a global reach are paramount, HSBC USA is likely the superior choice. Conversely, if you're seeking a regional bank with transparent fee structures, excellent customer support, and a strong community focus, M&T Bank may be a better fit. Be sure to visit the links in the description below to explore both banks' offerings in more detail and select the institution that best aligns with your financial goals.